Okay, this is how you use the Schlage Lock. Walk up to the front door and put in the last 4 of your phone number that I sent you in the text. And then the door unlocks like that. And then when it's time to leave, press the lock. Remember to hold the door towards you, okay, because otherwise it won't lock. And so again, to open it, just press your code and the door locks. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, you can always press the Ring doorbell and it'll come up on my phone and I'll answer it, or come up on my daughter's phone and she'll answer it. But this is good for me to see that you've arrived and if you have any questions. But as you open the front door, there's the stairs up to the bedrooms. This is where the house manual will be. And there's the kitchen and the living room. And then there's a downstairs bedroom as you walk in. So that's downstairs bedroom, bathroom, and the living area. Okay, so it's a kitchen. My husband's shoes on the counter.